was paid my old camera person before Libby was fine. Plus, me and her are kind of grounded. We have to clean these. Maracas.
Fail. Fail.
Yeah. Okay. So we are opening two of these.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think you guys have ever heard of them before, but these are what they are. They're old. Like they're old. Come on, Paige. Come on over here. So as you can tell, me and her already kind of started doing it. And yes, no one watches me. So barely anyone watches me.
So if
So
you
tell your friends to watch me and their kids if you're adults.
probably not. But if you are watching this, leave a like.
My goal is to hit 3 subscribers.
That's the smallest goal I've ever seen.
Really? People have a goal to get 1 subscriber.
Should we go get scissors real quick? I just really.
How about I'm gonna go get a butter knife.
Okay.
So we can cut
Go
the
really
cake
quickly.
easier. No, see here to make sure my iPad doesn't turn off.
Yeah.
Hang on! I call opening mine first. Yeah. Since it's my YouTube channel.
Safety course.
Next year, we're probably gonna watch this video and say,
Wow, this was lame. No one's gonna watch this.
wow, what were we thinking?
Yeah. But if someone does like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. What's your favorite character out of all these?
Yeah, and also write what your favorite game is in the comment. One thing, you cannot write Fortnite, since I know all you are gonna write that.
Yeah, your favorite game besides Fortnite.
Yeah. Because then I am going to block you from YouTube. That's actually not true.
Yeah.
But still, please don't write Fortnite. Or else.
Don't worry, she's not
I
gonna do
will
anything.
report you! That time I'm not kidding.
Yeah, you are kidding. Because you don't know how to poach.
I do.
No, you don't.
Or I can go to your YouTube channel and make sure you can't record. Unless you're a guest. Unless you're a guest.
Okay.
You open it way neater than me.
These are the ones I got.
These are the ones I got.
No, they don't. And those are the ones
Do
she got.
I have any duplicates? I already have you. They're the one that doesn't have a head. I have the animal for him. Oh wait, I think I have the bee already. Yeah, right now I have that.
I still do have that. You have that. And that.
I have that. Or I have the black one. Yeah, I have the black one.
Okay,
I have that.
so let's see which ones I got. So I got these ones. They're really cute.
I already have
So let's open the middle one.
I have her animal and she's a rare.
Okay, so we have a whole bunch here. We'll tell you the names when you open them. So,
And I have the zebra in the middle. In the middle. I don't think that's a very good idea to write this in the middle.
this looks awesome.
This looks actually really awesome.
Yeah, so we have a whole bunch here. I think the favorite one I'm looking at is probably the,
Oh yeah, I have this snake one too. I have his little snake. That snake. I have half of these koozies, but I have no idea where they are.
Well, we would have to look for them for about 50 minutes.
Yeah.
The view is the I'm seeing here. Your turn to open one. And I think the animal for that one is
It's the zebra. It should come in there with it.
I think it's a snake.
Mine did. Wait, you have the zebra?
No.
We both have zebras.
So its head can move, which is really fun. And
Yeah,
it's
they're
like
kind of like LOLs, just without like any.
accessories or anything like that.
Yeah, it's just the doll and pet if you have this. But everything else is just like that.
Mhm.
But not these characters. Alright, bye guys. That was only